The Ring Alarm is a modern home security system that includes a base station and 14-piece kit of sensors. The app features a user-friendly dashboard and live preview windows of each sensor installed in your home. The Ring app also has built-in functions for alarm control, including Disarmed, Home, Away, and a 24-hour backup battery. The device is easy to install without a professional, but it is important to place the sensors in the right locations. If you're looking for a more sophisticated home security system, the Ring Alarm 14-piece kit is a great choice. It features a wireless router, video doorbells, and indoor cameras that can record videos if your home is broken into. The Ring Indoor Cam and Video Doorbell both work with the Ring Alarm Security Kit. Once the alarm is armed, they can be connected to the camera and begin recording video. The Ring Alarm Security Kit is designed for small homes. For $259, you get a base station, keypad, motion sensor, and a Z-Wave range extender. It's easy to install and includes all the equipment you need to monitor your home. It's easy to add more components if you need to, but the 14-piece kit is best for homes that are between 1,000 and 2,000 square feet.
Simplicity is my favorite word. I have more coverage, security, than I had with my prior monitoring service. The camera indoors and outdoors are incredibly clear, even in darker settings. The Ring app gives me everything, task, I want, with live view of all cameras. This complete system with the Alarm Pro and the bridge allows me to expand my system. Very happy customer. It was hard figuring out how to place two doors as principal door, so I could exit through the garage during the delay period without triggering the alarm. Also a small brochure with pictures on how to arm and disarm Alarm 1, enter PIN followed by Home or Away symbol to arm 2, enter PIN followed by D. System is functioning flawlessly. Extremely easy to program and install. I would however like to have an indicator light at the keypads letting me know system status. We just switched from Wink to Ring and this system is very easy to use and set. It has tons of features including backup internet, mesh Wi-Fi, and it allows you to add your existing Arrow devices as mesh network extenders, which is very cool. I don't use Euro, so it did force me to switch my Wi-Fi network from Orbi to Arrow. More than that, it's an Amazon device and integrates into Alexa for voice commands. I kind of don't like the fact that you are forced to switch Wi-Fi systems to Arrow. I had to buy new mesh network satellites, but all in all Arrow does work very well. I am impressed. I would have given it 5 stars if I could turn off the Wi-Fi features of the unit. Arrow is an Amazon product, of course. Click link in description for more reviews.